Good day, ma'am. We are the group two, and this is our project. Uh, for the objectives, John Vincent Yapoico will explain.
So, ma'am, good day. I'm John Vincent A. Apoico, and for the objectives, we are tasked to convert the truth table, Boolean expression, and logic function to its simplified combinational circuit. We are also tasked to examine which combinational or sequential circuit to apply in the project. We are also tasked to use or incorporate the 7-segment increment and decrement decoder with enabler, the 180-second counter, and the register. So for the explanation of the 7 segment, AJ Almanrez will take over.
For the 7 segment, you can analyze it, and this is the truth table, and from this truth table we can get the expression for each output, so as well as the for the 7 segment tens. So this is the truth table for the 7 segment tens, and we can get the expression from this truth table. So that's it.
Ma'am, good day for the increment and decrement. So as we can see, we have the 5-bit input that is connected to the adder and the subtractor. So when we, for example, we want to add one, then you will also click the 1 bit on the that is connected to the adder. So there, we can see that the output is 2. So if you want it to be a decrementer, so you will click the 1 bit to the MUX um, there, and um, 1 to the decrementer. So if we want to subtract, so 1 minus 1, the output would be equal to 0. So for the decoder with enabler, so as we can see, the 7-segment 1 sentence are connected with 5 AND gates in it. So this will be put into the project, into the 7-segment display. So that's all. So Ron Michael Nene will explain how our project works.
And uh, for the project, we should stop the ticks. As you can see here, wait. If we inputted a one here, I mean two, and then uh, the probe here will register two. Then if you click the increment, it will increase, and if you click decrement, it will decrease. And then uh, if we enable the 180-second counter, enable, the last digit or value that is inputted here will be displayed here. I will slow down the tick so it will be seen. Uh, Here we go. Uh, Before, it doesn't have any input. If we have an input of 2 in the thermistor, after the 180 counter has reached 180, it will have an output display of 2. There, we have an output display of 2. And after the 180, again, it will go back to 0. And then to check how the weight works, we will click this one, and then to enable the weight to register, we will have to enable it by clicking this input pin. With that, we have a input of 2 in the probe, and then if you click increment, it will add 1 that results to 3. And if you click decrement, it will become 1 since it's subtracted. And then, as we can see here, after the 180 counter reaches again the 180, uh, it will go back to 0. But after the cycle, reaching 180, it will have an output of 2. We will go it, we will make it faster. There, we have it. There you have it. That will be all for us, ma'am. Thank you for listening. God bless.